Hello, my name is Dee with DJ Designs. I'm the owner, operator, and designer for DJ Designs. And today is a tutorial on show you how to make these beautiful denim on wood laser cut earrings. And I did this for Valentine's Day if anyone's interested. It's really easy. It's very minimal steps and I can show you one by one. And the reason why you see one is because I decided to do different toppers, and I am going to make the matches to these. Okay, this is with the walnut topper. This is the post earring with the walnut topper. This is the one with the fabric, and this is the post earring with the fabric. Stay tuned and we can get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut our recycled denim or jeans, and I already started cutting. But leave about 2 to 3 inches from the middle of the felt seam. And I'm just eyeballing how much I'm going to need because I might do a couple pairs after. So I probably will do about this much for now, just to show you how this gets cut. And actually you want to cut it in 12-inch increments because typically that's the size of the boards. Okay, and I'm just kind of even this up, which you really don't have to, but okay. All right, we're going to have something like this. Okay, we're going to adhere the fabric to the wood, and I like to use Alene's Tacky glue. You certainly can use whatever glue you like, but this one works for me. And basically, you just want to spread it, the area of where you're going to be laying your fabric. And I like to use a rag or old t-shirt or, you know, whatever, to spread it so it can be spread evenly. It does it a little quicker. And you can discard the rag when you finish. I used to use paint brushes, but I would forget to wash them. And then I'd ruin my paint brushes. It's hard to get clean again. Okay. All right, so we're just going to place the denim on and smooth it out, burnish it really good. And don't forget the edges. Just, you know, make sure that the whole piece is fully tacked down. Just takes a little doing, but that's all you need to do. Okay, and what I like to do is to paint. We're going to paint it red and gold accents to pick up some of the gold in the seam, the thread, and before we cut it. And I'm going to use the red acrylic. I believe I did get this from Hobby Lobby. It's red, and I'm using Espresso from Deco Artists, a metallic paint. It's rich espresso. And basically, you know, there's no rhyme or reason to do this, just randomly put the colors or paint the colors in just little areas. And then we're going to highlight this with the gold, and it really does give a nice look. I'm going to highlight this with the gold. Very easy. You don't have to be an artist or have any experience doing this. And I'm going to use the same paintbrush. Really doesn't matter because we're combining the colors. It's looking good already. And you can always go back and touch this up if there's an area that you wanted to have more red or more gold, etc. It's looking good. Okay, I'm liking that already. Okay, let's get this cut. Okay, let's see what we got. I cut the bottoms because I'm going to cut the top in another, this one's a little bit hard to get out, in the wood, to give it the wood effect. That looks pretty good. Okay, all right, let's get the walnut top part cut. Okay, I cut the tops in the same fabric just to show you the different options you have. This is done with the same fabric, and now I'm going to cut them in the walnut wood. Okay, this is with the walnut, and we're going to see how this looks. Okay. Okay, now we're going to paint the back of the earrings, and I did choose the same color that we use for a highlight to paint the back, and this gives it a nice complete finish. And I'll probably put 2 coats of paint on the back of these, and just yeah, paint the back. And I did do the ones in the same fabric just to show you the difference with the walnut, and then you can choose which one you want to do. Okay, and I'm using Deco Art Metallic, the Rich Espresso, and most of you know excuse me, most of you know the Rich Espresso is the color that I bought by accident, and it wound up being my first choice when I do want to paint gold. It doesn't have that bright gold effect. It has more like an antique gold, which looks very nice. I mean, it's just whatever you like, and I just think it looks good because it tones it down. Okay, all right, we got these 2 coats, and oh, where's my other one? Oh, here it is. We're going to let this dry, and then we're going to put another coat. And we can go on, and with the walnut, I like to do a light stain on the walnut just to give it the rich walnut look. And basically you just put a little on a cloth, a soft cloth, cotton cloth. And make sure I do the right one. And just wipe across. If you can see the difference in that. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the difference. It gives it a nice polished look. Okay. So we're going to get that done. This is the cloth. I don't want to get it mixed up. Okay, and we're going to do the hearts as well. Get some more stain. And this stain I got from my favorite store. Again, it is Americana Walnut Stain. It's in a small bottle. And believe it or not, I had this bottle over a year. So it does last a long time. Okay. Get the back. You just need 1 coat of this, and actually you can probably wipe it when you finish. Okay, gotta get my other one. Okay, and I'll be back after I do the 2nd coat. Okay, we got the back of the earrings dry, and now we're going to paint the sides. And these are markers I got from metallic paint markers that I did get from Hobby Lobby. And you can use whatever color you want, but I wanted to stick with the gold accents. and paint the sides with the gold accents. But you probably could use like a darker blue, or I don't know, I don't think red would have looked good, but I think this is the best choice. Black would have been another good choice as well. So what I'm going to do is paint the sides of all of these, and then I'll be back and we'll get ready to do the hardware. Okay, we're going to put the hardware on the earrings, and I was toying around with the different ideas of which colors I should use, and I decided to use the gold on the post earring and the antique brass on the post earring as well. I did two different styles, so you can determine if you want to use the fabric or you can use the walnut wood. So I'm going to put the post on, and I'm using E6000 glue, which is the go-to. I find it works very well if you let these posts dry overnight and give it a good push. And I will do the same for the fabric heart. Let that dry, several hours, or overnight is even better, okay? And on these, I decided I wanted to use gold to bring out some of the gold from the highlights of the paint. And we have the gold earring hook. Slippery today. Takes a lot of practice. Okay. All right, and let's straighten it. When I first started doing these, I didn't know how to straighten it. I couldn't understand why my earrings was crooked going the other way. But I wanted to show the beginners that's how you straighten the earring. And look at that. That looks really nice. I like that. Okay. And we're going to do the same for the walnut accent. I'm trying to determine which one I like better, but I did both so you can decide if you want to use the fabric or if you want to use the walnut. And I haven't decided yet. I like them both. I guess it's a matter of preference. Okay. And oh, this looks like it's already straightened. Okay. And that's how that looks. So we're going to let that dry. Okay, and here's the finished product. This is the one with the walnut. I really do like the way this looks. I'd have to say this is my favorite. And this is the one with the fabric. It didn't have the contrasting. You know, if you can see that. Turn this light over a little bit. And this is the post earring. And I did the gold. That one's cute too. And I think I like the walnut with the post earring as well. Okay, let me know in the comments which one you like. I couldn't decide. I'm going to make the matches to all of these earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.